Driving our 31-year-old Chevy motorhome down the west coast of the United States has been bloody brilliant. Getting as far as LA, we then decided to come back to Canada through the Midwest states. In Arizona, we found Route 66, the Grand Canyon, and Horseshoe Bend on the Colorado River. Then had a few days on the Navajo National Monument and decided to then go into our 7th state. I grew up watching westerns when I was a kid, and this place has been featured in so many films over the years. I've always wanted to come here, and this is it. So I'm fulfilling yet another dream. I bloody love travelling. We're going to be leaving Arizona any second now. Made it to bloody Utah. Driving north on Highway 163 out of Arizona and then into Utah, we were just blown away by Monument Valley. We decided, however, not to stay there and carry on another 11 miles further north and sleep for the night. An awesome bloody place. So we've driven, it's only about 11 miles away from Monument Valley, and we've come to a place called Mexican Hat. As you've just seen driving in, it was a little bit corrugated and bumpy, but this is BLM land, which is Bureau Land Management, which is a bit like Crown Land in Canada. So you can camp here for free for 14 days, I think it is. Do you want to see Mexican Hat? Because it's just behind. Yeah. Do you? How mad is that? How is that rock stood up there? It's mad, isn't it? The next day. We got up at 4 o'clock this morning to drive back 11 miles to come to Forrest Gump Point, which is here. Well, it's actually just down the road a little bit. To take some star photos and to take, as you can see, the sun is just coming up and it's right in my eyeballs. So hopefully we've got some good Instagram shots. Probably have to edit them to hell. I'm just a useless photographer, really. This place is phenomenal. I've never seen anything like it. Just leaving a campsite that we stayed in last night. It's a self-registration one. Yeah, I'm not saying anymore.
In 700 feet, turn right, then turn left.
So we're actually at 7,400 feet, which is, what's that, 1.4 miles altitude. So the weather is obviously a little bit cooler up here, although it's still like 80, but at least you get a decent night's kit. We're heading now into a place called Montesino because we need to empty our tanks yet again. They last about 4 or 5 days, so it's not too bad. And yeah, we're in Utah. Utah reminds me of like Colorado. Probably because we're right next to Colorado. After sneaking out of the campsite, also on the main road now, or my highway, up towards Mohat. we come across Wilson's arch, that's it, not hole. It's just a big hole in the rock really, but it's quite cool. Still heading towards Salt Lake City. Stayed here last night. Yeah, really nice actually. And there's some great views. Right views. We put the van up on blocks last night. So Kiera's gonna get it off the blocks, I think. Not quite sure what she's doing. We've just found the most awesome campsite. It's right on the top of a hill, so it is a little bit windy, or it was earlier, but there's loads of paragliders here. Paragliders? I don't know. The ones with the kites on top of them. Yeah, it's paragliders, isn't it? I think it is. So after setting up, we got the chairs out, got the beer out, and watched these guys flitting about all over the place. It was bloody awesome. Remember to hit that subscribe button to keep up with our travels. Next time, we actually make it to Salt Lake City. We got up at 11 o'clock. Got up at 11 o'clock.